Good day. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this side right here using almost all scrap materials salvaged from other vehicles. As you can see, rocker panel, everything. There's going to be a full in-depth how-to, a little bit more information than you guys are used to in our other videos. So if it's not your thing, don't worry too much about it. But let's go start up on the other side. Welcome to High House Stable Garage. So to start, we screwed up a little bit when we made our step on that side. We were supposed to come out by an extra 2 inch after our first 90. We basically cut that out. Oops. So what we have to do now is basically weld in a spacer piece. You guys can likely see it from there. Basically, it's a 2-inch strip, the entire length of my step over there. So we're gonna cut this guy out, deburr it, and then we're gonna cut down that. When you do the brake, it leaves a line on it. We're just gonna cut right off that line, and then we're gonna weld this guy in. It's gonna extend that out, and then we can weld it right into the truck. So let's get at that. Alright, so now that we have our spacer piece, what I'm saying is we're going to cut along this. This is going to slide in. We're going to weld that to that, and then weld this outer lip to our spacer piece. So let me cut down this real quick, guys, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to hold it all together. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our C-clamps here, and we're basically going to clamp this one to this, and then that guy to this. And we're going to do basically some soft tack welds along the entire thing. Not a lot, 10, 20, something like that. Just enough to hold it together, because we'll do the solid welding when it's on the truck. It'll help keep the warpage down.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
Alright, so that's kind of what we got going on. Same thing on this side. So we're going to let that cool down, go get the door, put the door on, and we'll set that guy up. Now that we got the door on, we can use that as a gauge, because this is roughly going up behind it, and then this is going to sit underneath the door. Now there's no real good way around it, but you're going to end up getting burnt on this. You can put some thick clothes on, but you got to weld underneath, and with the flux core, you know, the embers burn hot. So I'm going to go get my brother. He's going to go help me make sure this door stays inside, line it up nice. We're going to put it in, and yeah, we're going to go at that. So give me a second, you guys.
Here. Yeah. Yeah, they're equally gapped anyways, huh?
Alright, so we got it all tacked in, roughly tacked in. So now what we're going to do is come back here with our angle grinder, cut off what we don't need, and then we'll come back in, tack it again, and then we'll finish weld what we can right now to kind of bring in the solidity to the whole unit. So let's start doing that. So we got the step. It's just tacked in with these couple tacks right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of slightly bend her in a little bit, give it a hot tack there, and then start kind of hammering this down, doing a couple hot tacks, and then we're gonna finish weld that, finish weld this corner, finish weld this step. So let's get at that.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Alright, so let's zing this guy out right here, and then let's zing this inside one out and make two new ones. So I traced the inside panel that I cut out, just mild steel. This is 18 gauge. We're gonna cut that bad boy out, and then we're gonna start fitting it to the truck. It's not exact, but I left me some space that I can kind of wiggle it around if need be. We got it basically inside now, so we're gonna do a couple hot tacks on it just to kind of hold it, and then we're gonna start doing our cut and butt from the back side in. So let's start on that.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Let's see where this piece kind of lands here. Well, that's not bad. It's a lot like the other side. You get around the midpoint, and then we're going to need to put a piece there. On this one, it looks like we're going to have to put a filler piece there too, but that's okay. That's not a huge deal. This side's a little bit better than the other side was. So we're going to do the same cut and butt technique. Like always. It always works out. So we'll butt that up and start laying the old hot snot to it. Here we go. go, guys. We got the quarter fender in. We still need a little bit of work to match the other side, but it's pretty close. We got the step inside. It still needs its brace on side to side and on the back, so you could actually use it as a step, but it is there. So it's all coming together, really, if you ask me. We're on the home stretch for pieces to actually add to the cab. As far as I know, list-wise, you have little tiny pieces here and there that we got to add in. Nothing very major, maybe a day's work. And then after that, we have back cab corners, the very front cab corners, whenever we know what we're going to do with the front fenders, step bracing, and the crossbar that goes from the back cab corner to the front cab corner. And then on the inside, just a brace that goes from the back cab corner at the top, or the back body mount from the top to the back body mount on the other side. And then after that, we're pretty much on to steering wheel, seat, wiring, fire it up, get it out of here. So it's all coming together, just a little while longer. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. All right, see ya.